Namaste everyone. Today we are doing EFT tapping for multiple bathroom runs, frequent urination, especially at night. Let's start. Let's begin by closing your eyes and remembering an event, can be yesterday, last night, that you were sleeping and you had to go frequently to urinate multiple times. You could not sleep and you were perhaps restless. The event that caused so much stress, overwhelming, that you still remember it. When you think about it, what emotions are coming and which one is the strongest? And then scale it in the scale of 0 to 10. How strong is this emotion? How strong is it? Now remember the number and let's start tapping. Tap on your right side in karate chop area and say, even though I have to go to pee multiple times at night, I deeply and completely accept myself. I love myself and I forgive myself. Now tap on the left side. Even though I have to go multiple times peeing at night, I have to wake up every hour, I deeply and completely accept myself. I love myself and I forgive myself. I forgive myself even though I have to get up at night multiple times. I can't sleep deep. I love myself, I forgive myself, and I accept myself the way I am. Perhaps as we age, this can happen. All I can do is to accept myself, accept my body, and work on my body so that I can improve these symptoms. Tap under your eye. I have to get up at night multiple times. You can name the emotion, whatever emotion you're working. Temple, this emotion due to waking up at night. Under the nose, this strong emotion due to waking up at night to go to pee. On the chin, these bathroom runs or these bathroom runs at night. Temple, these bathroom runs at night. Top of the head, this is strong emotion due to waking up at night. Under the nose, have to go pee at night. On the chin, have to go every hour peeing at night. Perhaps you can say on the temple, my bladder. This overactive bladder. Under the nose, these frequent urination. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back in the event that you went earlier. Think about this event and see what emotions are coming. And what about the emotion that you were working on? What is the intensity of that emotion now? Has it gone any down? Or is there any other emotion that is highest right now and you want to work on it? And that's how you can work on each emotion. So you think about the event, and that event may have multiple negative emotions, and you can work on the highest one and then lower one and lower one, so you can work one by one. So you just have to change the emotion name and continue tapping. So cut down each emotion down to 2, 1 or 0, once you cut them down one by one like this, you are going to pee. Is not only because that your bladder is asking you, but it's also your mind. Your mind is saying, I have to go to pee, I will have to go to pee, or I will have to go to pee soon, and therefore you cannot sleep, and that generates you to go to pee. And to improve the rest, you can also practice some yoga exercises. I can link up there. Let me know in the comment section by commenting and share your experience with me. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I wish you well. Namaskar.